Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add hobbies and interests in your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to add your habits and interests into your Facebook dating so that you can match your person that also interested in your hobbies. Today, I am going to show you on how you can add hobbies or interests into your Facebook dating profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. From here, tap on this heart button and you'll be directed into this Facebook dating. From here, you'll see this like you, friendship, matches, and profile. Tap on this profile. Once you tap on it, you have to scroll down and you'll see in here your hobbies and interests. In here, add at least 1 to find matches through what you like. Tap on this add hobbies. For example, I am interested in video games. After that, simply tap on it. And then in here, tap on the save button. And as you can see, video games is added to your hobbies and interests. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add hobbies and interests on your Facebook dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. You know another way on how you can add your hobbies and interests on your Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.